InstaForex presents you WebTrader, a unique trading platform. WebTrader is an exclusive product developed by InstaForex that enables you to trade Forex, shares and futures directly from your web browser. The in-browser platform has all necessary components to be fully functional, just like a desktop application. WebTrader allows you to manage your trading account anywhere with easy access on any operating system and browser. Among other advantages, it includes multifunctional interfaces. To start WebTrader, go to the corresponding section of the website and click Start Trading after logging in. We recommend that you learn about the application's functions and interface before you start trading with the help of WebTrader. As you can see, everything you need in order to manage your trading process is ready at hand. WebTrader interface is user-friendly. Interface mode menu is available in the upper left corner. You will find your trading account details below. You can keep track of your balance, equity and free margin data as well as the margin level placed in the colored boxes in the center of the working area. You will find the content menu in the upper right corner of WebTrader, allowing you to place Forex news feed, fresh analytics and InstaForex news in the right part of the working area. As for the trading process, it does not differ from a traditional desktop platform. Order execution and response are immediate. Current events are displayed in the chart the same way as in a desktop application. Working with InstaForex WebTrader from any device anywhere in the world, you can count on the quality, speed and reliability of your trading.